Okay, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it, man. Husband finds out after 25 years of marriage that his wife was cheating.
On June 28, 2025, officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a reported domestic disturbance.
How's it going? I'm Officer Stevens. My body camera's on.
Okay. But my son was.
What house is it?
Okay, so it has a van. It has that red van.
Okay.
Skylar, shut the door. Shut the door. Skylar, now you're not going down there.
Okay.
Calm down, Bubba. Calm down. I know you need to calm down, baby. This is why I didn't want you there. This is why. Because they just got into a fight not long ago. I had to come and get both of my children because they were fighting really bad. She told me it wouldn't happen again. I mean, yes, I found out he had drove with my 9-year-old on the back of the motorcycle drunk. Mm-hmm. And then I found out that they had fought in front of my kids. My kids have never seen that, like I said. So I told her that they weren't allowed back here. She promised me today that they were not drinking. She promised me. And Terry apparently said that she was lying the whole time. So I don't know. My kids are not allowed over here again, though, because...
Okay. Well, if I need anything else from you, I will give you a call. She said that she came over to pick up her kids, and it's been like this before, that mom and dad are fighting. Mom took off, and he calls her, screaming at her, cussing. So mom goes back, and she's like, it looks like through the window that he was punching something, and she was screaming at the top of her lungs. So
it's not like her baby daddy? Mm-mm. Or she's getting kids
she's
that were hanging out over here?
Her kids up from here, hanging out with their kids.
Okay.
So...
Okay, so I guess the step kids are fighting.
Hey!
Oh. What do we have here?
Hey! Please!
Your sons are gonna remain.
Let's go!
Go ahead now. I just her. Come here. Go ahead. Tell her.
No, we're not gonna do this.
Go ahead. Tell her. What you do to me, big dog?
Hey, step back here. Hey, come here.
I'm trying to fucking take my kids.
You trying to take your kids?
Please don't do anything.
Hey!
Yo!
Get scared of you.
You're going to get fucking tased.
Stop it. Hey, come here. Come here.
Stop! Please,
Give us here. Hey, ma'am. Over here with your kids. Hey, guys. It's okay. Come over here.
I can't wait
Hey,
till
come over here. Come over with mom.
we're actually fine.
Hey, go with mom, buddy. Go with mom real quick. Hey,
you were throwing him around like a.
I know that we gotta get
You were
everything
throwing
calm.
him
We
around
need to
like
get
a
out
rag
He's
doll.
okay.
What the hell?
He's okay.
Come over here with mom.
What'd she do to you?
Okay.
Look at her.
She threw me around.
Dude, right there is your victim.
Ma'am.
Right there.
Okay, so
Threw
I'm
kids
Listen,
around.
we're gonna figure that out. You need to calm down.
Dude,
so I'm assuming
no.
those are the step
You ain't
kids.
gonna tell me what to do. I don't give a you got a taser or gun? Dude, don't touch me. Go ahead.
Why is he on the wrist?
Stop.
Oh, not in front of the kids, man.
Stomach, you're under arrest.
You better hit it again, bro. You better hit that boy.
Wait
Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on.
Wait a minute, go back.
You tough.
Holy shit. Wait a minute, go back.
Go ahead.
What the Wait.
Roll over on your stomach, you're under arrest.
You better hit it again, bro. You better hit that boy again. Go ahead. Come on, you gonna keep hitting it, big dog? You tough.
You tough? Oh wait, did he kick him?
That one fight.
Did he kick him?
Are you out?
Yeah, close.
Get the kids away.
She.
Buddy.
Bro. Y'all tased me and you tased the wrong motherfucker.
He said y'all tased the wrong
Get on the
Y'all
motherfucker.
got your body cam.
Get on the ground.
I hope you all got your body cam.
Get on the ground.
Wait
Oh,
till
poor kids.
Get on the ground.
Wait, yo, are they kicking him? Go back. Did they kick
the
him?
wrong motherfucker.
Get
I
on the
hope y'all
ground.
got your body cam.
Get on the ground.
I hope you all got your body cam.
Get on the ground.
Wait till.
Get on the ground.
Come on here.
What are You push him. Oh man. Oh, they choked him out.
Do you want to take a second to touch on something?
Oh, don't you do that. Don't you put no damn in here when I'm trying to watch my show.
Are you done? I'm done, bro. I bet you are.
He said.
Hey, I got him. Get her.
Guest units now.
He said, I bet you are.
You need to stop.
No, please. Stop it. Stop, my kids. Stop.
Bro, why is she getting arrested now? Okay, I guess because both of them is a domestic, so they both get arrested.
Stop, please. Stop with her.
Oh, this is crazy, man.
All night. Please stop, please.
No, you're fine. You're going over here.
Okay, I'll go over here.
Look at the kids, man. They don't know what to do.
I don't want to be around kids.
They'll never forget this.
He's an ass. He's an ass.
Medical.
He's an ass.
Help him out.
He's a nice.
Could you please take him?
He's cuffed in the front.
Could you please take him?
He's cuffed. We got him in the front now.
I know a lot of good guys that are asses.
What else? Down. Get the down.
Dude, I told you to stop.
Yo,
I ain't stopping. I'm good. I'm ready to go. That taser ain't gonna do shit. Get out.
he already done showed y'all that. The toys ain't gonna do shit.
No.
We're just sitting in the car for right now.
Let me breathe a little.
Do not move.
Let me breathe a little.
Yeah, let him breathe a little bit, y'all.
Buddy, it's okay.
He been woofing since y'all got there.
Stop.
What the kids just say?
It's okay.
Did he say I can't control it?
Hey, come here.
I can't get you.
Oh,
Stop. Relax, buddy. Hey, it's okay.
man, that's messed up.
I'm good. I ain't gonna fight you. I ain't gonna fight
He
you.
ain't gonna fight y'all, man. He ain't gonna fight y'all, man. He done showed y'all he could beat y'all if he already wanted to. Y'all some hoes.
Colby, come with me.
Wes?
Colby, we're right here. And this officer.
Wes, are you okay?
I'm good,
Okay.
Colby,
Yeah.
Colby, the officer's gonna call me.
On that ass.
Will you get my son, please? Will you get my son?
Block.
Dad, we've been together 25 years. So yeah,
Could you go in your car?
listen, we've been together 25 years.
Okay.
It's so hard for both of us. He's an ass. I tried.
Over here. We're going
I
over here.
tried not to fight with him. My kids are over there. Will you please take him? Please come
Alright, man. Got here as fast as I could.
No,
Yo, they still
you're
on him.
good.
Like,
Hey,
damn,
please,
y'all gotta be good now. Just put the fucking cuffs on him.
60 seconds.
Let's take your blood. I can't breathe. I've been drinking.
He's got blood all over his face. She's got blood all over her face.
Please let me breathe.
You want to? How are we gonna get him cuffed? All right, so listen. Here's the deal. We're gonna roll him on his side. Listen to me. Are you done?
I'm done.
You said that on the ground though. Are you done? Or you want to get tased again?
Man, let that man breathe, man. Y'all can't be on him like that. You already got him cuffed.
We're gonna have to.
I can keep his legs pinned like this if you try and roll him.
Grandma,
Hey, listen to me. You got me? If we bring your arm behind you, are you gonna fight us?
No, I'm not gonna
Let's
fight
get
you.
another body cam so we can get us.
Yep.
I'm just pissed. Alright, I understand, but listen.
We got blood on my
You are not
face
gonna
and
fight
everything
us or you will be tased again. Do you understand?
He don't give a damn about y'all taser. He gonna tear y'all asses up. That's Papa Bear right there.
One uncuff, I'll get it behind.
You hear him? Papa Bear said,
Who's the one that I took down? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
he boosted up.
I didn't mean to fight you.
He just bad, man. He mad, man.
Okay, will you
I'll
shake
shake
my
your
hand?
hand in a second. Yep.
Give me. Give me your hand behind your back.
Behind your
Gigi,
back, buddy.
let my dog loves me. Please let my dog. She loves me. I didn't do no wrong, I promise.
All right, so here's the thing.
He a good dude.
We're
You
gonna
can
have
tell.
medical come check you out. All right?
Oh, man, it's sad.
I didn't do it, Tommy.
You good?
My husband.
Now it's your husband. You been cheating on him the whole damn time.
Get out of here. Hey.
Wait,
What's
what?
going on with my kids? Please tell me.
What she just said?
Say. He's a pussy.
He's a
Get out of here.
Okay, that's what she was screaming for. My husband's a
What's going on
pussy.
with my kids? Please tell me.
They're fine. They're just upset.
No, they're upset because their dad's an asshole. Listen, their dad's an asshole. Their dad's dad when he was fucking young because he was an asshole. He takes after him. My husband is an asshole, dude. He's a fucking asshole. I try to protect the kids. I want my kids. I don't care about him. I'm gonna leave his ass. I'm leaving him. Watch.
You got all the little kids that are coming your way now.
Hey,
She fucking grabbed my kids. I'm gonna protect them. She grabbed my kids. I'm gonna protect them.
Hey, buddy, listen to me. Is that your dad?
Yes.
Come here. Come here, buddy. You can stay right here. You're okay. You're okay. Come here, buddy. They're gonna be okay.
My parents are gonna get arrested.
Come here, buddy.
My parents.
It's okay. Come on.
No, they're both my fucking parents. What about my sister?
Where's your sister?
She's inside.
Oh, wow.
I swear to God, she's inside.
You're okay. You're okay.
Wait,
How old's
there's
sister?
another.
How old's your sister, buddy? It's like, is sister little bitty or is sister older
She's
than you?
tall. She's fucking 21.
Oh. Okay.
Oh,
All right. Come here, buddy.
wait, what? She's tall. She's freaking 21. So the sister just said, "I'm chilling. I ain't getting involved in this. They tripping."
I got loose clothes everywhere, so him running around with no shoes on.
We gotta get to talk to you.
That's
I left the office from. I get kids inside.
that's what they do. That's what they do in their house. They
Sister in there too. That's asleep.
you can hear what in the kid's voice and how the dad did.
She hates me because of what she did. I've been married to her for 25 years. She cheated on me.
They
She
ragers.
cheated on me with a fucking.
No, he ain't say that. No, he ain't say that. No, you ain't say that. I know you ain't just said what I thought you just said. I know you ain't just said she was cheating with a nigga. Did you say that? Are you cool? I was rooting for you at first. Now I'm cool. Now I'm with the wife.
Yeah, I guess there's a 21-year-old sister in there too. That's asleep.
I don't know what's going on, but for your own sake, she hates me because of what she did. I've been married to her for 25 years. She cheated on me. let's just chill then. She cheated on me with a fucking.
He said it for real. He said nigga. He said she cheated on me with a nigga. He ain't said it. A. He said the E-R. So if he would have said the A, I'd have been like, all right. He one of us. He chill. Not really one of us, but you get what I'm saying? Like he get the picture. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking.
We're not talking like that. Don't place for escort, okay?
It's all on camera.
Yeah, I'm cool now.
Video camera too. Okay. So
I'm with the wife.
I got a Nest
With the
camera.
wife now.
Okay.
I'm sorry, buddy.
What?
Not even sorry.
What happened? It's all good. What
She
happened?
the
started
wife.
throwing my fucking sons around. Listen to my son.
Hey, will he?
You see,
Stop, bro.
Will
He
listen
think
to
it's
you?
funny.
He comes over here, you
Please,
can
yeah,
calm him
please
down,
bring him
'cause
over here. My
We
son.
don't want him to be like that.
Please, bring him over here. She did this shit to them.
I know.
Yeah, I know too.
I really hope he's okay. Otherwise, I don't give a fuck about that stupid fucking Terry. I'm done, dude. I'm done. He's a fucking ass. I'm
he
done.
can't hear you, man.
Woo!
Yeah, that's what they do in their house. They rah. They ragers. They listen to all that heavy metal shit. You can tell.
Hey, buddy, if you calm down,
Wow.
I'll let you go talk to Dad. You gotta calm down.
Did you hear him?
I
Come here.
want him
Come here.
back.
Did you just hear him?
That boy blood pressure went through the
Talk to
roof.
your dad, but you have to calm down first.
I can't calm down. I don't want to be tough. No. I love you.
Where'd Mom say to go? With you? Okay.
sorry.
Hey, listen to me, guys.
He said. Wait.
You will be able to talk to your dad, but you have to calm down first.
I can't calm down. I don't want to be tough.
He said, I don't want to be
Where'd Mom
tough.
say to go? With you?
Oh, that's so bad.
Hey,
Yeah, boy,
hey, listen to me, guys.
It's just the way he said it.
Now
I
listen.
promise you,
That
we want
boy's
what's
a
best for your mom and
rager.
dad, okay?
Okay.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
She's gonna go get checked out, okay? And one of them is gonna get out sooner than the other, and they're gonna be able to come and get you guys. But until then, it sounds like you guys get to hang out with her. Is that okay? You guys cool with that?
Yeah.
Nah, they ain't cool with that.
Do you have a vehicle you could get them in just to get them separated from this?
And
then
not
don't-
only that,
and
but
don't
they're-
leave that. We'll get their info.
We
from
have
mom or
2
something.
vehicles. If
Yeah,
if
she
you need.
did come down here because I was freaking out. So.
Hey, it's all right. It's all right, buddy. I promise.
My
Okay.
identical family.
I get it. I get it.
They're my everything.
Do you know what I
It sound like he said they fight every day.
I want to be with my family.
Probably eventually, but not
Possibly,
at the
you can go to the hospital, the waiting room. We'll just figure out how she is because I don't want her to make things worse. But if so, if she's gonna be in there getting stitches and stuff for a while, I don't see why not.
I
It's
want
gonna
to
help
see
them.
my dad.
Daddy going to jail, brother.
When I
Yeah,
see him.
Daddy did a little bit too much raging.
They wanted
Listen,
to hug their
He
dad.
used to get locked up.
I'll walk over there with you, but don't. You guys, you gotta be big for me. You can't scream, you can't cry, okay?
I'll come with you.
All right, yep, and she can come with.
Hey, you. Matter of fact, you come here. Will you loosen this left cup? I trust you.
You're good, man.
Will you loosen this left cup? They said they loosened it, but
You're
it's not.
good. You're good. Hey, you're good.
No, it's
I'll
not.
check.
No, it's fucking not.
Hold on, Jen. Hold on.
It's get crazy again, bro.
No, don't get crazy, bro. Your kid's right there.
Hey,
Oh.
you're not acting hard because your kids are here. Knock it off. Act hard, bro. You hard? You hear me? Knock it off. Look, take the cuffs off. Tough guy. Take them.
Yeah, he fucked that. He fucked that chance up.
Man, take them. Killing me in front of my kids, motherfucker. I just did.
You were just chilling, bro.
Let me up. You won't let me up though either, huh?
Right. You're staying seated.
Yeah, I know.
Take them,
Play
please.
your role. I had your kids calm, and we're gonna let you say goodbye to
I
them.
think they will.
Why? Because this guy right here,
No.
I trust you.
I tried to walk your kids over, but
Dude, they tried to tell me they loosened. They ain't loosened shit.
What's that?
Listen to this boy. Listen. Hey, listen to me.
No. I had them calm. I'm a father just like you are. Okay? You put your kids in this situation. I brought
I
them
didn't
over
put
here.
nobody in it.
I
You
brought
dog,
them over
baby.
here to talk to
Did you
you.
ser-
And
did
you
you-
did
did
this.
she tell you
okay?
your side of the story?
I haven't even talked to
Listen
her
to
yet.
them. Listen to them boys.
Right, they've been knowing you the whole time.
You didn't even let me check
about me.
before you
He
went
ain't
off.
give a fuck about me. He over here staring at me like he all hard. I'd love to meet you outside your fucking shit.
Oh, we've met before.
They're about to beat this
Out of here.
shit
You
out
ain't meet
your
you
ass.
here.
We have. We've met
What's
before.
my, where you meet me at,
You
dog?
just don't remember.
Where?
So.
Where I meet you at?
That's why she cheated on you.
You're playing.
Because you's a bitch.
Playing.
Oh, he's gonna go to jail.
I don't give a fuck.
No, I'm just wondering if we need to.
I already knew
get
that.
an ambulance because they can't be together. Yeah.
She wouldn't got her.
Not yet.
Got
You
her.
wouldn't let,
No.
I promise you wouldn't let nobody do it. You seen to my kids, dude.
Yeah. No, I wasn't here. I know. I wasn't here. The problem is you didn't even let us talk to you
You tasing me and shit? You tackling me?
because you grabbed me and slapped my hand away when I'm trying to separate you from your
Everybody
wife.
was with you at first,
The
man.
kids though, y'all
Fucked it up.
y'all ready to play tough guy. That's all it is.
No, they wasn't.
I want to shake your hand. Bro.
Do you have a 21-year-old in the house? Do you have a
Yes,
daughter?
I do.
Okay.
Kylie.
Can she be here by herself or no?
No, she's
Okay.
handicapped.
Okay.
Oh, that's why
This
the.
here or this here?
Okay.
Grandmother.
Your grandma?
I
Your
take
grandma.
care of her.
Okay. Can grandma take care of your daughter, or do they both have to have someone here?
No, my grandma.
It's sticky.
She got her.
She'll be okay. All right.
This
Yeah.
is sticky.
Sarah, can you stand up?
Maybe.
Or can is he could do?
Will you pull a taser?
That's what he's gonna do.
That's what I want to do.
No, pull the taser out of me first. I ain't stand up to you, mother. Pull that shit
I don't know where
He's
the
got
second-
to look
Right
at him.
there.
You got darts
Look at it.
everywhere.
Right, I know,
You've
but
been darted several times. You got one.
So you
You
got more
been darted.
You should have like probably what, four darts.
It's hard not to like him at the same time. I'm sorry.
Calm down,
He's a fucking rager.
I am
He's-
calm. I ain't no pussy though either.
I never
Look
said
at
you
this.
were.
Look at this. I'm missing fingers, bro.
All right, man. I'm just trying to find the.
Oh, he
I'm trying
is
to find
missing
the-
fingers.
Shit out of me.
Bomba clot. No, he really a ranger for real.
All right, your son's here to talk to you.
Kobe.
I wanted to talk to you the entire.
Come here, honey.
What's up, buddy? I love you so, man.
What in the emotion roller coaster is this?
She did, dude. Okay. You see what you did to me, bro?
Kissed you and I didn't like it.
That's okay, buddy.
What
Can't
the?
hurt that. Can't hurt that. How many times you tell these boys? That's all I want them to know. But that ain't no bitch. When the shit comes down to the courtrooms, you tell them the truth, okay? Tell them what your mama did, okay? Well, she's throwing you, bro.
Give that a hug. Okay.
Please.
Hey,
Hey, give that a hug.
Dad's it. I'm gonna be back at work on Monday, okay?
Where are you?
Right
here. Okay.
I'm here for you guys, okay? Monday. Yeah, I'm going.
hey, they love their daddy though. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, bud. Hey, listen. Hey.
Go to jail, buddy.
It's gonna be
Go ahead. Where's your mom? What's funny is she playing the victim. She playing the victim, bro.
They didn't have to involve the
Touch
children.
my kids like that little ass.
Let's have a seat. We're gonna fasten the seatbelt around you.
No, I moved this bullshit. And then the truth is what comes out, huh, brother?
Brother.
Ow!
Your leg.
My elbow, bro. Hang on, let me scoot over.
I closed it slow to make sure that was.
Oh, you're good. What the f is ringing in here?
Terry?
Something's ringing in here. Huh?
Terry?
Is that me or is that you?
I don't know.
Something's ringing.
I'm going to read you
Your Miranda rights. I don't give a fuck about that.
The man was charged with domestic battery, resisting arrest, and assault on a peace officer, while the woman was charged with domestic battery and obstruction.
Oh, man.
Before booking, the woman was transported to the hospital for treatment of an eye injury, whereas the man was taken directly to jail. The children were temporarily placed in the care of their grandmother. The case remains ongoing.
Yo, that one right there, I was not expecting that at all, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. That one took me for a loop. That was definitely an emotional roller coaster because I felt for the kids for 1 minute, and then I'm just like, they do this all the time. I don't know if I should feel this is like their norm. I don't think these kids will ever know anything else but that because that's what they've probably been living with their entire life. Dad look like he's the fun rager, racist guy. Because the word you had to say it like that. You could just say black dude. Oh man, you had to make sure you emphasize that. He was Shiba Chin, what a nigga. With an ER. I was with him, man. I'm half with him, half with not, man. Until he said that. He was cool with me. I was like, take, loosen the cuffs off, everything. Nah, keep them shits tight. You good. You be all right. I see why your wife was cheating on you. You knew she had that fetish when you met her, bro. You knew she liked black dudes when you met her. Most white women do. In my experience, I've learned most white women like black dudes. That's for sure. Especially if they get that much attention. His wife don't look like a looker like that. So whoever he was, she made sure she could hurt her husband to the core because she know for a fact that man don't like no black people. Anyway, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm trying to run these numbers up, man. If y'all made it to the ending of this video, comment police. Let me say it again. Comment police. If you made it to the end of the video. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not, you know what's going on. You gonna do what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
Or you gonna die. And we don't want you to die. We want you to live forever and ever.